hotels through Capital One Travel. Plus, get access to over 1,300 airport lounges.
White wine, please.
And maybe see the one and only Taylor Swift.
Civil emergency message for all of Los Angeles County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Residents residing in and around the Hollywood area are to evacuate the area immediately. At 7:03 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, multiple sounds of screaming were heard near the Walk of Fame area. 3 police officers a block away from the incident responded immediately. They have not returned from their original position and are presumed dead. The suspects are described as 3 white females, one with blonde hair and the other 2 with brunette hair. They were last seen armed with pistols, presumably semi-automatic models, and were wearing hoodies, merchandise from Taylor Swift's concert tour. The victim, a white male in his late 30s, has been critically injured and has been rushed to UCLA Medical Center, where he remains at this time. You are advised to shelter in place immediately. To repeat, shelter in place immediately. This is an extremely dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation. Lock all doors, seal all entrances to the outside, and do not make the interior of your home visible. If you notice any suspicious activity outside your home, please call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information.